Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Code Academy. Today in this video I'm going to create football formation maker using this Bolt.new AI tool. So usually when people have to create the formation for their own reference or just to share some tactics with their friends for their domestic match, as well as if there are any upcoming match, UEFA or any AFC match, and the club they love, they generally tend to make the formation and share it across with the friends. So traditionally when we have to share, we use this pen and paper based formation maker, and we take the photograph of that and share it with our friend. But here in this case I'm going to create full-fledged website so that we can create this formation maker application and we can share it with our friends. So for that, what I'm doing, I'm going to write one prompt as create website where user can design and customize the football formation, and there should be some ability to export as well. So export mainly in the form of image, but I'm not going to specify that, and let's see what export option it is giving, because first I need the working copy of the application, and from there we can take it forward. And here specifically I'm mentioning this drag and drop interfaces as well, because if there are any preloaded formation but everyone not follow the preloaded formation, they just make some tweaks to the existing formation. Let's say you have a 4-4-2 formation, then they slightly, to make the players aggressive, they press the players forward. So those things also I'm mentioning. So I'm done with my prompt. Here I'm mentioning create a website where user can design and customize the football formation, and it should have drag and drop interface and the preloaded formation in the export option. So now I have clicked on this arrow, and it will try to generate this particular application, right? So it will decide on its own what technologies it has to use. Accordingly it will create some dummy data as well, and it will create image on that. It will automatically plot the players. Now we just have to wait and watch for our first working copy of the football formation website, and I hope that it creates the website without any kind of major error, so that we should be able to see that application live. And if there are any errors, we can very well use the chat prompts to resolve this. So let's see whether it is loading the application or not. Here on the left hand side you can see what things it has added. The export options, for export option it has just added the JSON files, but that is not what we want. We want the actual export in the form of images. So here the application is loaded. We can see the training ground and the circles with number as well. So it looks good, to be honest, as we have just created within 1 minute. So I will just test this functionality, whether I am able to drag this circles or not, and each circle has dedicated number, so that is also a good thing. And here when I am trying to drag the circle, it is working perfectly, and this is what I wanted. So let's say if you are discussing any strategy, you can discuss using this feature, right? So here we have this preloaded formations as well, which are a preset, and here for exporting we have the export option as JSON, but that won't be beneficial for someone who doesn't know anything about JSON or never heard of JSON. JSON is a file with just object, JavaScript object notation, but we don't want that. We want this application to be used by the actual users as well. So that is why it is necessary for us to give this option to export in the form of image. So that I will tell you how we can do this. So what I will do over here, so I will mention that give me image as export option, straightforward. no need to use any technical words and all. We just have to mention give images export option, and let's see. It is a little bit tricky because converting this entire page to directly to image, so that would be difficult, I guess. But let's see how this tool handles this kind of prompt, and we will able to test as well whether we get, like if you mention the requirements like this, if this Bolt.new, which is AI tool, able to handle our request or not. So here it is mentioning I will add image export functionality, and it is breaking down the steps like creating some export.ts file, then updating few of the files, and it has done all the coding part as I guess. But here I am getting one error, which is something failed to import HTML canvas. From the first glance it looks that it is very basic error. So what I will do, I won't take cognitive load on my mind to resolve this. I will just copy paste that particular statement and I will put it as a prompt and let this Bolt.new only resolve this. Okay, so now you can see it is installing this HTML to canvas and then running npm install, and we are not able to see the actual working copy of this application because it is just running npm install command. So after npm install command we should run any command like npm start or any command there is in dev. Ideally it should automatically run. We can use the prompt to run it, or we can just scroll up in this terminal and find the command for serving the application. You can either check in package.json, but also you can go above and you can type copy this command npm run dev, and you can run that and it will automatically serve the application for you. And let's see after running this particular command if we get the desired output that we want. Let's see whether it loads or not. So currently I am able to see the white screen. That means the compiling is in progress, and so there is some kind of loading that is happening behind the scenes. And now you can see we have two options, export to JSON and export to image as well. That's a good thing, but we just it is not sufficient just having those buttons. It should work properly as well. So we are going to test that. And how am I going to test it? So I will just change few formation. I will try to tweak the players, right? This to 6 and 8 formation, like I've circles this I will adjust, and this right hand side few circles I will drag it towards the extreme left and right. I don't know what kind of formation that I have built now, but the football lovers should be able to tell what kind of this formation I have generated. Now you can verify it in the image as well. We have got whatever we have achieved in this formation, right? So that the same image we are getting in this particular page, right? So now we will give one more prompt. So now we will mention now only the number this page has, right? So what we will do, we will ask it to give some ability to add or edit players, so that along with the jersey numbers we have the players names as well. So here from this prompt what I am expecting is to have some sidebar where there is a provision for entering the names of the players. So the interesting part is how it is going to generate. Is it going to add any kind of pop-up, or it just next to that page it adds the players, just like in your any actual match preview you have the in the side all the player names. Is it going to add that way? So that is also some kind of intelligent and thinking capability required for that, for deciding that. And let's see what Bolt.new decides and whether we like it or not. I'm expecting it to be on the right hand side somewhere or left hand side somewhere, and ability for us to edit any player. So on the left hand side you can see what it has included as part of this prompt. It is actually documentation as well. We can copy paste. So now see I have got what I wanted. Okay, so it has perfectly added that particular player name panel in the next to that page, so that we can enter the our favorite player names. So there also it is mentioning the position as placeholder as well. So for one number goalkeeper position, I'm going to add my favorite goalkeeper Neuer. Then I will add few numbers which are more popular, like number 7. The world knows the number 7 is for GOAT Ronaldo. And if you don't agree with me, then we will find one more GOAT. Okay, we have number 10 as well, so we will search for number 10, and over there for Messi lovers, I'm going to add Messi's name over here. And which position I know Neymar as well, so 11 number belongs to Neymar if I am correct though, so that also I can add. And not just this, after adding this, it should get added in my image as well. So that is also one of the important thing that we have to look at currently. And I have exported, and I think the image has got formed, and from here we can see whatever names which we have added. So that's it for this video. If you want to create application that like this, then this Bolt.new is going to help you to create the application like this. And if you now like this output, if you want to make any changes, you can go back to Bolt.new tool. You can add few more prompts if you like. If you can export and run it in your local as well. So thank you for watching this video. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.